Welcome back, editors. Today, I'll teach you how to create this type of trending intro animation. And the best part is that it's very easy to make. I already uploaded a shorts tutorial on this effect, and many of you have probably seen it. However, a lot of editors commented that they couldn't understand the tutorial properly because the speed was too fast. That's why I'm uploading this long-form tutorial, so you can follow each step more easily and understand the process better. So, if you appreciate the effort I put into making these tutorials, make sure to leave a like. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also, comment below and let me know what topic you'd like to see in the next tutorial. I read every single comment, and if I find a great suggestion, I'll make a tutorial on that topic. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the tutorial. Add your black background and song. Add your first character freeze frame. Remove its background. Make its size smaller. Add 2 keyframes. Go to the first keyframe, rotate it, make it smaller, and move it down toward the corner. Use a custom graph. Add the rest of the freeze frames as well and adjust their positions the same way I'm doing. Adjust their duration according to the beat. Add 2 keyframes and move them to the left side. Apply this step to all freeze frames and change their positions accordingly. Use a custom graph and apply it to all clips. Go to Layer and move it 1 layer up. Duplicate it and move the duplicate below. Go to Adjustment and increase the whiteness using the graph. Go to Layer and move it 1 layer down. Increase its size and move it slightly to the left so it starts looking like this. Go to Effects and select Glow 2. Adjust it to 100% and 17%. Go to Effects and select Play Pendulum. Adjust it to 21%, 21%, 21%. and 0%. Thanks for watching.